Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of professional-grade gardening tools with the Kress 40V 38cm Cordless Grass Trimmer KG155E.9. This beast of a trimmer promises excellent performance and versatility. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Kress KG155E.9 may come in several parts, but once assembled, it's an impressive-looking tool. The twin ends of the cutting line curl upwards, giving it a unique and stylish appearance. This cordless trimmer offers more than just aesthetics. It features a switchable head, meaning you can tackle tough plant stems without any problem. Not only is the grass trimming head exceptional, but the Kress KG155E.9 also offers additional attachments, like a brush cutting head, chainsaw pruner, and hedge trimmer. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for various gardening tasks. The trimmer comes with a long shaft, and the double battery and motor sit beneath your arm, ensuring excellent balance and efficiency while cutting. The twin 20V batteries supply a total of 40V power, providing comparable performance to petrol-powered models. I put this trimmer through its paces, and it tore through grass and weeds effortlessly, thanks to its thick, double-ended cutting line. The line feed system is simple to use, activated with just a tap of the head's hub on the ground. The trimmer offers an eco mode for extended battery life, and with the charger's 2 bays, you can charge 2 batteries while using the other 2. It's worth noting that this trimmer is a bit heavier than plastic domestic models due to its metal construction. However, with the included shoulder strap, it balances nicely and remains comfortable to use. The Kress KG155E.9 may be more power than the average homeowner needs, but it's a game changer for professional gardeners or anyone facing large gardening tasks. Whether you're clearing an allotment plot or tackling overgrown flower beds, this trimmer has you covered. Its wide cutting head and powerful 40V performance make quick work of even the toughest grass and weeds. And with the option to switch to different attachments, it becomes a versatile addition to any garden shed. If you're looking for something smaller, be sure to check out our guide to the best grass trimmers for more options. Thanks for watching this review on the Kress 40V Cordless Grass Trimmer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech and gardening tool reviews. See you next time.